Hello, my name is Eric Anderson, and this is my 12th video, I believe, and it's September 6th, 2020, and it's approximately 8:24 in the morning, a.m. This is the COVID-19 pandemic, and I thought I'd kind of utilize the time at home and stuff like that and show people different ways to do stuff than even the manufacturers probably recommend or whatever. But and for instance, like this, what me and my friend did before was, since I work on vehicles a lot in the garage and it gets really hot in here, that's why I'm sweating right now at 8 in the morning. But anyways, I used to work on a lot of cars and stuff like that. And we made a vent for this particular AC unit is a Fedders, Fedders, and it's from Harbor Freight, I believe. And it was relatively pricey at the time, and it's kind of old now. But it served us well. It worked for quite a long time. The manufacturers recommend that you vent the hot air that comes out of this thing, because essentially it pulls in hot air, cools it down, and then expels the hot air somewhere outside. And we did have a little thing that we made, like a piece of aluminum with a hole cut in it, that vented to the outside wall of our house. Well, I started thinking about this, and this is a relatively big piece of tubing. And I was thinking about it, and I'm thinking, well, you know what? I could probably find a better way to not only cool the garage, but also maybe possibly even help cool the house. So I thought about this, because I used to have this sitting here blowing right on me when I was doing, like regular mechanic work. You don't want it blowing on you when you're doing like valves or anything like that, so you don't get dirt and stuff in the valves and stuff like that. But I would leave the garage door closed, and mainly when I was wrenching or whatever, I would turn this on and have it try to blow at me, because it gets really hot in here. And when I did it that way, I didn't really vent it, and then we ended up moving it over here to the side over here, and then venting it out the vents along the side of the house. As you can see, there's little air holes. We put a little piece of aluminum with it attached, and it blew out to the side of the house. And I just started thinking, and I'm like, you know what? In order for me to have this here and be able to blow the exhaust out, I'd have to have a really long hose. So I might as well, since I got to have a really long hose anyways, I might as well look right above it, and there's the attic with the hole. So essentially, I wanted to take the square, door that was up there before and put a hinge on it so it hinges out, and you can still go up in the attic this way, so it's still functional. And essentially, buy a longer tube and have it routed up here along the wall, and then leave an extra amount kind of hanging down. It'll look kind of cruddy, but who cares, it's functional. And not only can you open up the door hatch or whatever and go into if you're in your attic, if you store stuff up there or whatever, but cut a hole in it, preferably towards the back, so you have less tubing hanging out. And that way the door can swing over that way. And also you can, what you're doing is you're exhausting out your attic and helping cool your attic down. blowing the hot air out of your attic, because the air that comes out of this is not, it's relatively cool compared to the air in the attic. So I just thought that would be a good idea, and hopefully one of these days I'm going to get around to doing it and actually show it on video, hopefully. And but these are some of the ideas I like to come up with. And like I said, I have I want to say about 12 videos that are kind of like a how-to, and all kinds of different stuff, working on vehicles, and I don't think I've made those ones yet, but manufacturer shortcomings and different designs for different things. And I'm just hoping to kick off my YouTube channel, so if you will, please definitely leave comments, give me a like or a thumbs up, whatever, and try to support my YouTube channel as much as you can. Subscribe, and I'll keep making these kind of videos to show you how you can think of different ways how to utilize things that you already have, or maybe something that you want to buy, and hopefully leave a comment and I can think of something like that, design or whatever. But anyways, I do appreciate your time, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.